This is the location. So let's say this is your local machine, okay, and this is Maven repository, Maven repo, okay. So Maven repository, you can think of it as a collection of jars, okay, and this is your local machine, and you have your pom.xml, okay. In pom.xml, what you have done, you have mentioned a dependency named as testng.xml, and already you have installed Maven, right? Maven installed. These are the things which we have done before creating any project, okay. So this first Maven installed is there, you created a project, and in project Maven project you have pom.xml, and then you thought of like I need testng.xml, or forget about testng, let's say selenium only, selenium jar you needed. So what you did, you simply copy pasted in your pom.xml file, okay. Now what Maven will do, so first Maven will check in your local machine whether you have selenium in this directory or not, okay. Which directory it will look for, it will look into your local machine like this, okay. And then rather than or, it will look for com.selenium, com slash selenium. Remember that group id we gave to any group id, I'll show you that. So this is the group id, right? Similarly it will create a folder in your local also, okay. From where it will create, from here it will give, it will navigate to repository, and whatever be the art group id is there, the same way it is going to create the sorry, folder structure. So under the repository it will create org, under the org you will find selenium, and then selenium is there. See, it is the same group id. Based on the group id is nothing but to tell the computer what sort of project folder name you have to give after repository. So first thing what Maven will do, it will navigate till this repository and sees that there is no selenium, okay. So it checks here. So once it checks and it finds there is no selenium, so what it will do, it will go and check in repository. Remember that it will never go to Maven repository. This is present in some remote location, okay. This is present in some remote location. Only way to access is to give the dependency. So first it will check in local, and then if you don't find anything, it will simply go and download from here. And download where? Download in your local, download into local machine, okay. And then after that you have selenium jar in your local machine, okay. Next time, let's say you want to change the selenium version. As of now, let's say 3.8.2 you are using, and then later point of time you feel that it is outdated now, 2023 has come, latest version is 4.1.0, new feature has come. You thought of changing the version. Now you change the version. How you can change? Simply change over here. Earlier it was 3.8.2, now you change to 4.8.10, and then when you click on this refresh button, it will, what again, it will do the same thing. It will check into your local first. It obviously 4.10 is not present in your laptop. So what happens, it will go to remote location, means Maven repository. It will download into your local machine. Now you have versions. If you see here, for testng we have seen different versions are there, right? So similarly, whatever with the version you need, it will directly look for in your local machine. Okay, so this is how Maven works. So Maven helps me two things basically, automates two things. First, structure management. I don't have to worry about the structure, only have to care about creating package of my own. Second, dependency management. Dependency management. When I say dependency management, it is nothing but library management only. Okay, lib management. So this is the way actually Maven works. So this is all about Maven. So if you guys have any doubt, you can ask. From Monday onwards, we are going to actually write the test cases. So this is was the prerequisite actually. Just to start the project, you have to do some configuration, right? You have to create some infrastructure. So likewise, in order to start programming, we have to install Java first. Similarly, in order to write our test cases, we have to do some setup. What sort of setup? Maven is the first thing. Like Maven, once we install Maven, we have installed JDK, and then what are the necessary library I need in my project, and then simply I'll place all those dependency in my form.xml, and I will mention my Java version over here. That's all. And how you're going to check whether your jar is downloaded or not, you simply come to the external library part, okay, and then see that, click anywhere and type the name of the artifact. Artifact you can see from here. Selenium is there, right? Click anywhere and search SELE Selenium. So if you type Selenium, top left corner you will able to see here. It will typing, and then based on your word it will search. So it means you have downloaded. Version you can also cross verify 4.10.0. Similarly for test ng, just remove test ng, you can search, and yeah, we have test ng also. Okay, let's say we want to have AWS. So if I search AWS, there is no AWS, right? Because I have not put my dependency in the dependency management, right? So that's why. So this is just to cross verify whether you have or not. Sometimes what happens, even if you have placed here, no error is coming, but due to some problem, internal error, the thing was not downloaded. So in that case, what you can do, you close the project and reopen, and then click on refresh. Then after some time, you will able to see your jar is downloaded. Okay. So, okay, that's all for today's class. From Monday onwards, we are going to start writing the test cases and writing the pages like. Okay.